Hi, my name is Jayant Rasamsari. Welcome to another session of CV Mastery for Pixeltests. So welcome once again. And you could be anywhere, you could be in any community, and you could be watching this. This is primarily a short video, third or fourth video in a longer series. I would encourage you to go back, watch all of those videos, click the subscribe button, like button, drop your comments if you have learned something, if you've and taken these learnings, summarize these learnings, write all of them. And then if you've been able to apply and reformat your CV and get a little more jobs or opportunities, etc. So without further ado, let's dig straight into the small review of what we've done. So we have a nice mind map, which I had shared in the previous sessions. Please take a look at that. We are going to be we were overhauling one resume. And so you have private companies, make sure you have two versions within the private companies. Public sector companies are not something our focus is right now. And then we'll maybe, as time progresses, even talk about LinkedIn. We'll also talk about how to master LinkedIn. Cool. So we've done all of these steps. In the mind map, we went to hygiene, basically setting your font, setting your type, setting the space, removed all the clutter like no date of birth, matter status, photos, etc. Kept as tight and concise the resume so that we have a very high JD ATS score. Kept a nice address. If it's in US, keep it in that format. If it's in India, keep it in this particular format. Try to keep the city the opportunity you want it to be in. Like if it's Bangalore, it's Bangalore. That's much better. I've also kept the formats for the phone numbers, etc. And make sure your work experience, education, tools, and interests are in that order. And make sure you use keywords throughout the CV. And blockchain is obviously one area that we have, and so this resume is going to be tailored to that. And maybe I might get another resume that'll be in something else. Cool. So make sure, let's go straight into the resume that we were editing. Yeah, there we go. So what we've done is we've kept the font. See, if you notice the entire, it's all simple Times New Roman, and the font size is 12. 12 is reasonably good to read, etc. And make sure the address, phone number, line, everything is in one line. I've kept Bangalore because I've assumed that Rohit, our hero here, wants a job in Bangalore. Okay. Objective. So the objective is I've completed blockchain certification from IIT Madras, CC, and Pixeltests, seeking a job as a blockchain developer. Okay, we can get rid of this in a fast-growing company or mid-sized company. In a fast-growing, let's say startup or mid-sized company where technical and leadership skills can be utilized in shipping high-quality software and also increasing revenue, right? Certification, rewritten this IIT Madras CCM blockchain modules, Bitcoin ecosystem, ECC, hash function. So you've written all of the keywords that hopefully people will like and your recruiters are searching for: consensus protocols, Ethereum. And if you're in blockchain, feel free to use as much. If you really know these skills, feel free to use this inside your own resumes. And I've also given nicely the links to the YouTube demo, like a demo of a front end and a back end. People love app kind of demos. Also, make sure that you have kept your Git. Git is very, very important. And also make sure you have kept your front end, right? Branch manage. Okay, experience. Make sure you've written your experience very, very nicely. Management, administration, business development, accounting, written. All of these elements that are part of the search keywords, right? Search keyword. Sorry, that is part of your authentic experience. Increased revenue by over 8 crores in the preceding year. So this gentleman had shared that. So keep things that are very, very relevant. And you see, I've kept one more paragraph, right? And developed and execute underwriting strategies to drive the consumer business card through the approval of profitable applicants for over 6 million applicants, manage risk thresholds using SaaS, etc. Right? And now the last one here is 2012 to 2017, assistant manager in a syndicate bank, marketing, housekeeping, credit processing, recovery, cash management, responsible for over 2 years of recovery and lean connections, trained over 40 new joinees, set up orientation, wrote KRS, training manual, so on and so forth, right? Continually enhanced underwriting decisions. So make sure you write all of these. I've written a few elements that are fictitious, obviously, because this is a synthetic resume, but make sure, see how I beef it up. Like I really keep power packed words. It'll take a lot of time, and spend that. You can do it, and pepper it with words that you really have, right? Structured a financial model for an Indian bank, blah blah blah, implemented a 15. So we can get rid of this now. Here I write the education, which is PG DST in software technology. I think an undergrad is fine too. Yeah, that's good. Maybe we can keep some space here. Solidity, strengths. This is enough. This resume is more than enough now. And then with this, he or she can start, applying to jobs. Okay. So now let's do quickly some few. All right, cool. So now I'm going to be, I have another resume. So let's get cracking straight into it. Let's start editing this and let's try to make it to the format that I like. So first off, these are 4 pages. This is a classic example of something that needs overhaul very quickly, right? This is a 4-page resume that I'm going to be editing, hopefully to 1 or 2 pages. So follow along with me, and you should also learn from this. So straight off, using the format and the structure that we learned, you make all of this into straight away. 4 is just too long and it's conveying this. So I change the font straight away. So that's in good shape. Seems like the person is from Chennai. Do this. This could be set up. I typically like it's picking up the like the phone number to be in the beginning. So I'm going to say +91 9940 2222. 4 + 3 7, 7 + 2 9. So let's get one more number. I'm going to say 603 RDR. This is probably not even existing, but it's fine this time. Get rid of all those logos and all. That's fine. You don't. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now this looks good. I think this is fine. Cool. Okay. I am specialized in finance process transformation specialist with over 6 years of Yes, such as automation, get all that. Mastery over. Yeah, except you also have to type. I don't know what involved in. So let's have a strategy of attack because we have a lot of work to do on this. So let's get rid of this. So this needs to go to. Take a look at this. Okay, let's work on this in the next session, and then we'll go detailed into what Burma needs in terms of changes. So definitely most of this has to sort of go. Cool. So leave your comments below on how we are going to be approaching this 4-page resume and condense it hopefully to 1 or 2 pages. Would love for you to also take action and get into the community. We have a lot of exciting members like this, who have terrifically experienced. And then make sure you have good soft skills. Like soft skills start with CV, soft skills start with LinkedIn, soft skills start with and then that'll complement your technical skills. Right? Cool. Thank you so much.